How to get the highest quality leads. It is important for any business owner or marketer to understand that in order to create a long-term business relationship with their customer or subscriber, they must be able to offer something of value. This is true no matter what type of company you are in. The key is knowing how to obtain the most desirable leads for your business and to be able to sustain these leads once they have been provided. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to get the highest quality leads. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. In this video, we will discuss two important concepts that will help you in understanding how to get the highest quality leads. We will explore what makes a person buys a product and why some people fail when attempting to market their own business. We will also examine the importance of the internet as a marketing tool. After reading this article, you should be better prepared to take on the challenge of how to get the highest quality leads. It has been said that many people fail at business are because they do not offer a good enough product or service. Sometimes customers are not willing to try new things until they have tried and failed with the old ones. A common scenario is that a business owner markets a product or service and finds that his product does not meet the needs and desires of his target audience. Customers do not want to hear about all the drawbacks of the product, but rather they want to know the positive benefits. By offering a product or service that the customer is satisfied with, you are creating a win-win situation for both parties. Another key concept is that marketing a business online is far more effective than traditional marketing techniques. When a business owner opens a door to their business by using a website to communicate with potential customers, it is likely that a large percentage of those first customers will turn into leads. Not only can you create lead lists through a website, but through other online forms as well. It is through these lead lists that you can develop your marketing plan. Once you have a plan in place, it will become much easier to make the necessary adjustments and adjust the strategies so that you will always be able to offer the best products and services. How to get the highest quality leads is also important because of the financial aspect. You will find that once you build up a list of leads, it can be very easy to sell products and services to these individuals, even when your business is already in full swing. It takes a lot less money to promote a business using leads when compared to any other method of marketing. In fact, if your budget allows it, there is even a form of free advertising known as email marketing where you can market a product or service directly to those on your list. How to get the highest quality leads is a very important aspect of the success of any business, and especially when you are just getting started. If you are completely new to the world of marketing and have no clue how to get started, you may want to consider hiring a professional. This will provide you with someone who knows what they are doing and can provide you with the help that you need. Now, if you have the time and money to invest, then there are plenty of different ways that you can do this. One of the quickest and easiest ways is by using article marketing. Basically, you will write articles on a particular subject and submit them to various article directories. If you follow the rules and regulations of the article directory, you will find that your articles will be accepted and in turn published, providing you with a wonderful source of free traffic. Getting high-quality leads is a very important part of running a successful business. There are many strategies that you can use, but in the end, it is always important to follow your heart and deliver only top-quality products to your customers. Remember, the goal of your business is to provide your customers with only the highest quality products and services possible. When you keep your focus and continue to work hard on providing your customers with only the best, you will find that your business will grow and you will eventually start to make a lot of profits. Thanks for watching my video about how to get the highest quality leads. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.